Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a pin on Pinterest. Pinterest is a social network that allows users to visually share and discover new interests by posting, or known as pinning, images or videos to their own or other boards, or collections of pins, usually with a common theme, and browsing what others have pinned. Using a visual orientation with the social network is very much focused on the concept of a person's lifestyle, allowing you to share your taste and interests with others and discovering those of like-minded people. The social network goal is to connect everyone in the world through the things they find interesting. Users can either upload images from their computer or pin things they find on the web using the Pinterest bookmarklet. So, these are the reasons why e-commerce sellers find Pinterest a good platform to market their product. Now let us teach you one of the basics on Pinterest: creating a pin. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. The first thing that you need to do is to access your Pinterest account. You can visit the usual website, which is www.pinterest.com, or you can also log into your business account at ads.pinterest.com. When you logged into your business account, you should immediately see the performance of your pins. Click the red plus button located on the top right and click the Create Pin on the drop-down. The next page is where you're going to add items to your pin. You can also publish this immediately or publish it on a later date. Drag and drop the images that you'll be uploading. You can upload up to 5 images on this pin. Even if you drag 10 images, only the first 5 images will show up. Add your title. If you're uploading a product, then this is where you should place your product title. Tell everyone what your pin is all about. This is where you'll be adding your product description. Please be advised that you're limited up to 500 characters, so summarize your product description and use the most relevant and SEO-rich keywords. Next is to add the destination link. Anyone that clicks your pin will be directed to the link that will be specified here. So, I recommend that you place the link to the product page. Click the drop-down menu beside the Publish button and select the board where you'll be adding the pin. The board is like a folder, which is a collection of photos on any topic you choose to pin about. You can also click the Create Board if you haven't created one yet. Once everything is all set, click the red Publish button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your pin was saved to the board that you have selected. Click the See Now button to check your pin. So your pin should look like this. If someone clicks the image, Pinterest will open a new pop-up to the product page that we have set up earlier. So that's it. That is how you create a pin on Pinterest. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!